Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use presets in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. And here in the Lightroom app it usually opens up in the gallery. We have to select a picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. After tapping on the picture, it loads. And here in the bottom bar, we find the presets button. We tap on presets, and then we can select from the premium list different categories that we might want to explore. We also have yours category that's made specifically for your uses, like Adobe analyzes your pictures and your editing practices, and then gives you suggestions for editing. And then there are our premium and recommended presets as well that are made for the picture specifically. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one.